Hey there, meet Scentsy's all-purpose cleaner concentrate. This 24-ounce bottle will make 6 16-ounce bottles of multi-purpose cleaner. And so we're going to take 1 part multi-purpose cleaner and add it to this, and we're going to put in some water to make a 16-ounce container. So 4 ounces of concentrate to 12 ounces of water. 1 part cleaner, 3 parts water. All right, so let's get this started. And it's brand new, so I need to get it open so that you can see. Oh, it smells good. It's in the fragrance, Make a Splash. It smells so clean. Reminds me of the beach or water. So I got my measuring cup here, and I'm gonna just pour in 4 ounces of concentrate. That goes into the bottle. And you can see it's really thick. So it just needs to be diluted. Now I'm going to get 12 ounces of water. So this is 8 ounces. Pour that in. And of course, I could have just filled the bottle with water, but I didn't want to over dilute it. So I don't want to make sure I have 1 part multi-purpose cleaner concentrate to 3 parts water. Get some more water. And the water's not coming on. This is messing up my video. We have a motion sensor water faucet, and right now it's not turning on. So I'm gonna go get some filtered water. Okay, so here's the other 4 ounces. I'm gonna give it a little swirl to get all that goodness, because that says that's cleaner. Want to get it all. But you can see just that little bit that was in here, at 4 ounces of water, really the concentrate came out. You can see how much it's a concentrate. And then there's suds in there. So there you go. Put my spray nozzle on there. And voila! I've got 1 bottle of cleaner, and I still will have 5 others. This doesn't go in here. This is the top. I'll have 5 other bottles that I can make from this 1 purchase of Scentsy's all-purpose cleaner concentrate. Get you some today.